Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to the Landslide and the nearby community of Blairmore in Alberta, Canada. In the early hours of April 29, 1903, a massive rockslide occurred on Turtle Mountain, releasing approximately 110 million tons of limestone rock. This catastrophic event, known as the Landslide, buried part of the town of Frank, destroying homes, businesses, and a section of the Canadian Pacific Railway line. The slide's debris field covers about 3 square kilometers and remains a stark reminder of the event. Today, visitors can learn about this historic event at the Landslide Interpretive Center. The center offers interactive exhibits, first-hand accounts, and award-winning shows that detail the events leading up to the slide, its aftermath, and the resilience of the local community. It's located just off Highway 3 in the Crousnest Pass and provides a comprehensive understanding of the disaster and its impact on the region. The legacy of the Landslide and the rich history of the nearby town of Blairmore highlight the resilience and determination of the local communities in Alberta's Crousnest Pass region.
Thanks for watching!